So you've got a sewing machine but have no idea where to start? Don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're conquering the basics, essential stitches. Think of them as the ABCs of sewing. First things first, let's get acquainted with your new best friend, your sewing machine. Don't be intimidated, it's not as scary as it looks. Every machine is a little different, so definitely check your manual. It's like the instruction booklet for a new gadget. But there are a few key parts we all need to know. This is the stitch selector. It's like choosing your favorite ice cream flavor. Then we have the stitch length. Think of it as how big or small you want your stitches to be. And this little guy is the tension dial. It makes sure your stitches are nice and strong, not too loose, not too tight. Threading the machine can seem tricky at first, but trust me, practice makes perfect. So don't worry if you don't get it right away. And remember, your local sewing shop is your friend. They're always happy to help. All right, let's talk stitches. First up, the straight stitch. This is the bread and butter of sewing, the foundation of everything. It's used for joining fabric, making seams, basically all the important stuff. See how it's just a straight line? Simple, right? But mastering it is key. We always want to backstitch at the beginning and end of our seams so they don't unravel. It's like tying a knot. The stitch length is super important. A longer stitch is good for general sewing, while a shorter stitch is better for delicate fabrics, or when you need a super strong seam. Experiment and see what works best for your project. Next up, the zigzag stitch. This little guy is incredibly versatile. It's like the Swiss Army knife of sewing. We use it for finishing raw edges so they don't fray, sewing stretchy fabrics, and even for decorative stitching. See how it zigzags back and forth? That's where the magic happens. Just like the straight stitch, you can adjust the stitch length and width to get different effects. For finishing edges, we usually go for a wider zigzag. For stretchy fabrics, this stitch is your best friend. Now, let's quickly cover a few other useful stitches. The reverse stitch is for securing your seams, super easy. The blind hem stitch is for those invisible hems, fancy. And if your machine has it, the buttonhole stitch makes creating buttonholes a breeze. Some machines also have an overlock stitch to finish raw edges like the zigzag, but it looks more professional. Check your manual. Okay, now for the most important part, practice. Don't use your good fabric just yet. Grab some scraps, old t-shirts, towels, anything. Start by sewing straight lines, then try curves and corners. It's like learning to drive. You've got to start in the parking lot before you hit the main road. Don't get discouraged if you make mistakes. Everyone does. Thread breaking, check your threading and tension. Skipped stitches, maybe your needle needs changing. Just keep practicing and remember to refer to your sewing machine manual. You'll be a pro in no time. And that's it. You've officially conquered the essential sewing machine stitches. Remember, sewing is all about having fun and being creative. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. What will you sew first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more sewing tips and tricks.